So hello again. Last time we saw how to draw different line plots. So from today we are going to dive into the details of another very important plots, which are called the scatter plot. So now in order to plot a data in the form of scatter plots, let me again use the same command here, and so plt dot scatter, that is the scatter, and at the x-axis I'm using the same x-axis and same y-axis. So here that are basically my dotted commands, which are called the scatter plot, and we can very easily see the shape of these because these are dots. And the same techniques can also be applied here by writing the color equal to, let me call red here. The same commands will be applied here as we have deployed in our previous section. Similarly here plt dot figure and fig size equal to 12,8. okay, so the figure will be increased like this one. Okay, so that is a simple scatter plot. Let me use a random data here and plot it by using the scatter plot command called t, and t is equal to np dot linspace, and in linspace let me go from 0 to 10 and let me have 20 points here. Similarly on the data point I'm using a random command, so random randint. Okay, so what it will be, it will give us random numbers from, let me call, first you have to write the ranges of the numbers, at the end you have to write the numbers that how many numbers do you want. So let me have numbers from 0 to 200 and I need 20 numbers. Okay, so that is the range, in which range do you want the random numbers, and that is the total number of numbers which I want. So as the data here at the time axis, I have 20 points, so I will also need 20 numbers here. So writing here, and I will clearly see here that it will be here. So t dot shape, here this is 20, and data dot shape, these are also 20. Okay, so we can very easily plot them by using the scatter command. So let me use the plt dot scatter, and here t comma data. Okay, so that are my points which I have found out by using the which I have plotted by using the scatter command. Similarly plt dot grid here, and furnishing them how more, so color will be equal to green, and let me line width equal to 6. okay, sorry, that so that is my data here, which you can very clearly see. Similarly plt dot title here, all the other titles and scatter plot, those things will remain same, just like here plt dot x label time and y label, let me call it data. Okay, so it will remain same. So that's it for the scatter plot. After it we will go through some other plots, and then we will try to utilize them to analyze the data sets and to visualize them, which are already available in our modules. So till then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.